Welcome. Here's a comparison between the VS1 and the A119 version 3. Created this video just to give you an idea of the difference between the two.
That's it.
Guessing this is the end.
Yeah.
It's not so too much sub. It's actually that mirror in the in that.
Oh, really?
Fine.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah. All the yeah, that's all the cranes. Like, why would you have cranes up there doing all the obviously.
Fuck off. Purchase, right? Yeah, when I see purchase, I don't even bother. Yeah, I just do click collect, it's like great. Fucking tranny.
I don't care, that used to flood there anyway.
What's that?
Building?
Yeah. Do you reckon it's one of those,
What they're actually doing. Oh, there's an opening. It's constant water in there. It's an opening cap.
that's alright.
I wonder if that's coming up and there's still more going under. Because you said it's going to come out over Preston.
Yeah, the ring road. That's where it is.
Yeah, so this must be just normal going up.
I'm getting 7 AM foggy.
Yeah, that's true. I'm getting the CPO for it. You're going to get a filter free camera. Right?
Kind of.
It really does need it. It looks pretty well. Oh shit. That looks like the same Ram truck as last time. That's fucking bizarre.
That's what
got water.
Yeah. 150. Might be an 350. No, I think it's I can't believe they sell one of those every 17 seconds or some shit like that in the USA.
Really?
Yeah, one of those.
On its stilts and all. Or just a bit.
Just a bit.
Thanks for watching. Cheers.